Welcome to the Culinary Recipe Creations channel, food trends in constant motion. Food trends are always changing. What we crave today might be forgotten tomorrow, replaced by the next big thing. What we like to eat is always evolving. From the simplicity of avocado toast to the intricate layers of sushi and the fresh flavors of poke bowls, our palates are on a constant journey. Like fashion, food goes through cycles of popularity. Each decade brings its own unique trends, influenced by culture, technology, and global events. Remember when everyone loved kale smoothies? They were the epitome of health-conscious eating, a symbol of our desire to nourish our bodies with superfoods. Or when rainbow bagels took over Instagram? These vibrant treats were more than just food. They were a visual feast, perfect for the social media age. Food trends reflect our changing tastes, lifestyles, and priorities. They tell a story about who we are and what we value at any given moment. Today, in 2025, we see a fascinating blend of old and new. Traditional recipes are being reinvented with modern twists, creating a culinary landscape that's both nostalgic and innovative. Comfort food is back, but with a modern twist. Think gourmet mac and cheese or artisanal fried chicken, elevating these beloved dishes to new heights. Health and wellness remain top priorities. We're seeing a rise in nutrient-dense meals like quinoa bowls and green salads, often enjoyed after a yoga session or workout. Global flavors are more accessible than ever. Street food from around the world is now at our fingertips, bringing diverse culinary experiences to our daily lives. And technology is changing the way we cook and eat. From smart kitchen appliances to food delivery apps, convenience and innovation are at the forefront. This essay will explore the exciting world of 2025 food trends. We'll dive into the resurgence of comfort food, the rise of global cuisine, and the impact of technology on our culinary habits. From the resurgence of comfort food to the rise of global cuisine and the impact of technology, we'll delve into what's shaping our culinary landscape today. It's a dynamic and delicious journey that reflects our ever-changing world. Get ready for a delicious journey. Join us as we explore the flavors, trends, and innovations that define the food scene in 2025. In today's fast-paced world, people crave familiarity and comfort. This desire translates to our food choices. Classic dishes like mac and cheese, fried chicken, and apple pie are making a comeback. These are the foods we grew up with. They remind us of happy times. But there's a twist. We're not just eating these dishes the way our grandparents did. We're adding modern flavors and healthier ingredients. Think truffle oil in your mac and cheese or a gluten-free crust for your apple pie. This trend is all about taking something familiar and making it new again. It's about indulging in nostalgia while still being mindful of our health and taste preferences. It's comfort food, but elevated. Health and wellness continue to be major drivers of food trends. As we become more conscious of our health, the choices we make about what we eat are evolving. People are more aware of what they eat and its impact on their bodies. This awareness is not just about avoiding unhealthy foods, but also about seeking out foods that provide specific health benefits. This has led to a surge in demand for nutritious and flavorful food. Fresh, colorful produce is now a staple in many households, and chefs are getting creative with healthy ingredients. We want to enjoy our meals and feel good about what we're putting into our bodies. Plant-based eating is booming, with more people exploring vegetarian and vegan options. More people are adopting vegetarian, vegan, or flexitarian diets. These diets emphasize plant-based foods while allowing for flexibility in food choices. This means incorporating more fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains into our meals. These ingredients are not only nutritious, but also versatile and delicious. We're discovering new ways to enjoy plant-based protein sources like tofu, tempeh, and lentils. These proteins are becoming more popular as people look for alternatives to meat. Functional foods are also gaining popularity. These are foods that offer additional health benefits beyond basic nutrition. They can help improve digestion, boost immunity, and even enhance mental clarity. Think turmeric for its anti-inflammatory properties or ginger for digestion. These ingredients are being used in a variety of dishes to enhance both flavor and health. We're adding these superfoods to smoothies, soups, and even desserts. The trend towards healthier eating is not just a fad. It's a movement towards a more balanced and nourishing lifestyle. Section 4. a world of flavor, global cuisine takes center stage. In today's interconnected world, our culinary experiences are no longer confined to local flavors. Instead, we are embracing a vast array of tastes from every corner of the globe. Our taste buds are traveling the world. From the comfort of our homes to bustling food festivals, we are savoring dishes that were once foreign to us. Global flavors are more popular than ever. Chefs are experimenting with ingredients from different cultures, creating fusion dishes that delight our palates. We're exploring cuisines from Asia, Africa, South America, and beyond. Each region offers unique ingredients and cooking techniques that add to our culinary repertoire. This trend is driven by our curiosity to experience new cultures through food. Sharing a meal has become a way to connect with others and learn about their traditions. Korean barbecue, with its sizzling meats and flavorful marinades, has become a global phenomenon. It's a perfect example of how a traditional dish can gain international popularity. We're experimenting with spices like sumac and za'atar from the Middle East. These spices add a new dimension to our dishes, making them more exciting and flavorful. And South American flavors like ají, amarillo peppers, and chimichurri sauce are finding their way onto our plates. These ingredients bring a vibrant and zesty taste to our meals. This trend is all about embracing diversity and expanding our culinary horizons. Cooking together allows us to share knowledge and techniques, enriching our food culture. It's about trying new flavors, ingredients, and cooking techniques from all corners of the globe. Cooking classes and demonstrations are helping us learn and appreciate these global cuisines. Our kitchens are becoming melting pots of global cuisine. We're blending traditional recipes with new ingredients, creating dishes that reflect our diverse world. Section 5. Technology in the kitchen, air fryers, and beyond. Technology is transforming the way we cook. New appliances are making our lives easier and healthier. Air fryers, in particular, have become kitchen staples. They allow us to enjoy crispy and crunchy foods with less oil. Air fryers are incredibly versatile. We're using them to make everything from vegetables to chicken to desserts. They're perfect for achieving that satisfying crunch without the added fat. And cleanup is a breeze. Smart kitchen gadgets are also gaining traction. We have smart ovens that can preheat on command and refrigerators that can order groceries. These devices are making cooking more convenient and efficient. They're like having a sous chef in your kitchen. Section 6. The fusion of tradition and innovation, a culinary tapestry. In the world of food, 2025 is all about blending tradition and innovation. We're taking classic recipes and giving them a modern makeover. We're embracing global flavors while still appreciating our own culinary heritage. This fusion is evident in the rise of new American cuisine. Chefs are taking inspiration from various culinary traditions and using local seasonal ingredients to create innovative and delicious dishes. It's a celebration of diversity and creativity on a plate. We're also seeing a resurgence of interest in fermentation. From sourdough bread to kimchi to kombucha, fermented foods are known for their gut health benefits and complex flavors. We're rediscovering ancient techniques and incorporating them into our modern diets. Section 7. Conclusion: the future of food. A delicious journey. Food trends are a reflection of our evolving tastes, values, and lifestyles. As we move forward, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the culinary world. The future of food is all about sustainability, health, and a continued exploration of global flavors. We'll likely see a greater emphasis on plant-based eating, with innovative meat alternatives and creative vegetable-forward dishes taking center stage. Technology will continue to play a role in how we cook and consume food, with personalized nutrition plans and smart kitchens becoming more commonplace. One thing is for sure: the journey of food is far from over. So let's embrace the trends, experiment in the kitchen, and savor every delicious bite.